God!
Put it away. Put it away.
We're about to feed seagulls. We lost Todd. He's gone now. And if we fall, we're gonna die.
Oh, thanks for the
Todd!
Todd, leave her alone.
She's a drama queen. She's gonna fall.
The camera.
Oh shit.
Hi, Todd.
I lose.
Don't underestimate us. Ever. Shit. Sit down. No. Stand up.
Heather, how'd you get up there?
I don't know. She's like, I'm just climbing.
You need to call Sarah,
And I'm going to break my neck. Please don't. We need you to drive us home.
Todd has keys. We're good.
Okay, Todd can drive us home. No! Guys, I'm really upset right now. I don't think you understand.
Well, you're adjusting yourself.
Hi, Todd. You're an idiot. Heather, can you pick him up and drag him over here? Because he's a baby. Love you. Hi, love. Best friend forever. I like this thing.
I don't.
I feel safe. Not at all. I was gonna say.
Feed it to them.
Have a
Oh my god, here we go.
You gotta feed it to them.
On it?
Oh my god, now you're following me.
Oh my Oh Lord.
Exactly.
Oh my god, move! Whoa. He's got Heather on the ground now. Oh, here we go.
I go with me.
Whoa, what's the weird position? Okay, there you go.
Oh my god.
I'm in right now.
Ah, the beef's near me. How are you getting up there? Oh my god.
I don't like this anymore. I guess I can't really see
She'll
you.
be up there.
You can't see me?
She'll be up. Yep.
Yeah, I probably got you on camera. I just can't see you the way that I'm angled.
She's up.
Hey guys. She's like, I'm just chilling now. I found you. Hey Heather. She's touching me.
On the ride home with FM 97 and Dan Harry.
They are idiots.
This works for me. Yeah. Oh shit. Look at him glowing. Oh my god, Heather. Oh my god. Oh, I don't like this game. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Look how sturdy this is. I know. I would never do that. Oh!
I am fearless. I wonder if I can jump down there. Don't do it, please. I'm good. Thank you very much. Ashley, your turn.
No, I'm good.
Your turn. Go ahead.
No. I'll stay on the ground.
Oh my god! Why is
I don't know them. I don't know her.
Look what you did!
You brought the whole fucking thing.
Next belly button ring.
you. I'll fight you.
I'm gonna do this one.
Todd's all glowy. It's cute. Oh my god, let's fall over. Oh god. Oh my god. Rude.
Just like the people waving at me. He's getting attacked by him. Exactly, she's the idiot getting attacked. Say hi, Megan.
Recording.
You're in the way, Heather. Move.
Oh shit. No! Hi. Okay. Whoa.
She's such a dork.
What's going on?
You'll have me dying on film. It'll be all exciting and all.
What?
Yeah.
That's not exciting if you die on camera.
It's exciting to me.
Well, it's not to me.
I don't know if I can reach.
Good. That means you gotta come back up.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
I can grab this thing.
No, you can't.
Bye, Todd.
I can't see Megan.
I'm dark.
I can see Todd.
Lit up by
Oh my god.
Whoa! Hey!
I don't know them.
Yeah, you're recording. Heather, look. Heather.
Oh my god. We're like
All the fucking birds she has.
And now I'm gonna come after you.
I'm gonna die. Ready? Good job. Flip. I can't hold you. What?
Yeah.
I know. Alright, let's go.
say bye. Bye.